The best 6 forearm exercises at home. Dumbbell seated neutral wrist curl. Dumbbell over bench wrist curl. Dumbbell behind back wrist curl. Weighted standing curl. Stretching, side wrist pull stretch. Stretching, wrist circles. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.